You're probably really confused why I'm doing this. I don't know, I just started doing it. And you're probably really confused why I've got bits and pieces of me all over the internet, and you're just like, what's going on? So I'm consolidating everything into one spot because I am one whole person. And it's a great time for you to ask questions like, what is that brain massage thing you do that helps people create space in their head? Or how does crafting clever content help my brand and my business and make me feel good about my marketing? Or maybe you want to ask questions about traveling fast, traveling slow, traveling with a kid, traveling without a kid, living in a tiny home, having lots of friends, having no friends, having lots of family, having no family. Okay, you get the idea. But it's really all around being courageously free. And what does that actually mean? Because it might be different for me than it is to you. And that doesn't necessarily mean you have to be happy every single day of the year. It just means that you're always working towards being different and being lighter and being you. And my theme this year is being you and shifting with ease. And so what if it was okay to be different and be lighter and be you? And what if by being all of that is the contribution and the gift the world requires? And so feel free to ask me questions. Oh, and if you're not on that page, you're going to see a redirect somewhere around here to take you there. And then once you get there, just ask me questions. Okay. Peace. Okay, bye.